Custom commands are user-created instructions that tell search how you want certain sections of your article to be generated. Here's how you can get started. Go to your account setting and locate custom commands on the side menu here. This will bring you straight to the custom commands section. This is where you create a custom command template. You do so by assigning a command you created to a section of an article. But to do so, you'll have to make some commands first. To create a custom command, scroll a bit down to the custom command editor. Make sure this field is set to none, set a name for it, and describe what you want this command to do in the field here. Finally, click Create Command. If you wish to edit an existing command, you can do so by clicking on the drop-down menu here and selecting which command you want to edit. Now that you've created your commands, you can move back up to the template creation. As I said before, to create a template, you first have to give it a name, then assign your commands to each individual section, and finally, click Save. If you wish to edit a template, click on Show Save Template, locate the desired template, and then click on Edit. Now that you've created your commands, it's time to use them. Custom commands are applied in the outlining stage. The Generate Outline page is where you can enable custom commands with this toggle here. Right below that, you can select the template you want to apply in the drop-down menu here. Once you're done, you can start generating your outline. If you want to swap out some of the custom commands in your template, you can do so in the Edit Outline page. Here, each individual section will have an option to select a custom command. This gives you even further control over how you want your content to be generated. And that's all the basics you need to know about custom commands. Now you can make sure search generates your content the exact way you want it every time. So do you think this feature is helpful to you? And if so, how would you use it? Leave a comment below to share your thoughts and opinions. And don't forget to subscribe.